Have you ever gazed at the stars and wondered, what if each star is a world of possibilities? Just as the universe is expansive and filled with countless stars, so too are the opportunities that life presents. Picture yourself as a celestial explorer, navigating through the vast cosmos of possibilities. Each star represents a different path, a different adventure, a different story. Remember, each star could signify an opportunity waiting to be seized. Imagine a star, a celestial body, that goes through a journey similar to ours. Every star begins its life in a nebula, a vast cloud of gas and dust. This is much like our own beginnings. We start small, born into a world filled with all the elements we need to grow. The nebula, with its rich composition, is the star's nursery, providing it with the necessary ingredients to ignite and shine. As the star grows, it faces struggles. It wrestles with its own gravity, compressing and heating its core until it begins to shine brightly, standing out from the crowd, much like we do when we find our passions, our purpose. This is the star's main sequence, its prime time. It's when the star is at its most stable, burning hydrogen to create helium and releasing an incredible amount of energy. It's a process that can last billions of years, a testament to the star's endurance and resilience, qualities we too embody as we navigate the marathon of life. But eventually, the star exhausts its hydrogen. It's at this point that it starts to change, to evolve. It expands, becoming a red giant, and begins to burn helium. This phase of the star's life is short, unpredictable, and tumultuous, much like our own periods of intense personal growth and transformation. When the star has burned through all its fuel, it faces its ultimate destiny. It may shrink down to a white dwarf, radiating its residual heat into the cosmos, or it might explode in a supernova, creating the elements that will one day form new stars. The most massive stars collapse under their own gravity to become black holes, entities of profound mystery and power. This is the star's final act of creation, its legacy. It's a reminder that even in our endings, we have the power to contribute to the cycle of life, to leave a lasting impact on the universe. Like stars, we too transform and shine our brightest right before we change into something new. Have you noticed how stars form patterns in the night sky known as constellations? These constellations are not just random formations, but are rich with stories and wisdom passed down from ancient civilizations. They have been used as navigational guides by sailors on long voyages, providing a sense of direction in the vast, unending sea. Now let's turn the telescope inward. Our lives too are filled with patterns. These patterns might seem random, much like the stars scattered across the night sky. But upon closer inspection, they reveal a story, our story. They serve as a compass, guiding us through the vast ocean of life. These patterns in our lives, the highs and lows, the challenges and triumphs, they're not arbitrary. They're constellations in their own right. They provide guidance, teach us lessons, and inspire us to reach for the stars. In the patterns of our lives, we can find guidance and inspiration, just as sailors did in the constellations. So, what can we learn from these celestial phenomena? Consider the stars, those brilliant points of light scattered across the night sky. Each one represents infinite possibilities, a promise of potential waiting to be unlocked. Just as stars are born from clouds of dust and gas, you too have emerged from humble beginnings. You have the power to evolve, to grow, and to reach new heights, just like those stars reaching out from the darkness. Now think about the journey of a star, its transformation from a simple speck of dust to a glowing beacon of light. It's a journey that mirrors your own. It's about embracing change, enduring hardships, and emerging stronger and brighter. It's about realizing that the pressures you experience are merely catalysts for your own shining transformation. And then there are constellations. They're not just beautiful patterns in the sky, they're guides. They've led sailors to their destinations. They've helped farmers know when to sow and reap. In the same way, you can serve as a guide. You can be a beacon of hope, a source of inspiration, an example to others. You can help others navigate through the darkness, just as constellations have guided countless souls throughout history. Like the stars, you have the potential to transform, to connect, and to guide. So ignite your inner star and shine brightly in the vast universe of life. As we wrap up this celestial journey, remember, the universe is an infinite source of awe and inspiration. Just like the stars, your potential is limitless. So, reach out, dream big, and keep shining. Subscribe for more, because you won't find me later.